My name's Logan. I've worked for Corbins now for a little over 4 years. I originally started out in concrete, operated heavy equipment. Just within the past 4 years, I started working electrical. I used to be a traveler, and I decided to stop traveling to be closer to my family. And my previous trade didn't have quite the stability that electrical does. And a friend of mine worked for Corbins, and he suggested that I come check it out. And I'm really glad that I did. It's been a very interesting journey so far, and I always enjoyed learning new things. So electrical, I think you can learn new things your entire life. When I'm not in the field, generally I'm with my wife, and we like to spend a lot of time in the pool during the summer. But we also like to go up north. We like Sedona and Prescott in that area, and we like to go up into the mountains. But I've been in Arizona off and on since I was 15 years old. Yeah. So yeah, I've traveled. Like I said, I come from a family of construction workers, and we were all what they call travelers. So coming back and forth was a common occurrence for me. What motivates me is, of course, my family, like most of us. I have a lovely wife at home who I want to give a good life to. And not only that, but being in an environment I enjoy at work also is motivation, because I know I can come here and we're doing some interesting project, or, one of the guys is excited about learning something new. So, there's days, I'm not going to lie, where it's tough to get out of bed. A lot of times we're up before the sun, and it's hot, and it can be, hard work, but it's enjoyable. Like, I'm glad that I've chosen this profession. And so I don't necessarily feel like something has to drive me to get here, because I like coming here. The biggest accomplishment so far was being entrusted to be a foreman for the medium voltage. Medium voltage is a critical aspect of what we're doing here, and it's specialized, and it has little room for error. So the fact that leadership, Corbin's leadership, trusted me to not only be a part of that division, but to be part of the leadership of that division was absolutely amazing.